Okay guys, as you can see, it actually generating our credits and code points. This hack working perfectly. Hello people and welcome to my brand new tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how I got unlimited credits and code points for COD Mobile. Absolutely free, safe and online guys, without downloading any mod or anything imagine guys. It's working perfectly in both Android and iOS devices. So let's get started. Go to the Google or any browser you have and navigate to this website called Upload and type in search COD Mobile and you will find the online tool. Click there guys, and now we'll have to enter our username. So if you don't know how to find it, just click here. So let me enter mine quickly. Press continue guys and let's see. As you can see, it found and our user ID successfully connected. The next step is to select our credits and code points. So I will go with the maximum guys. So let me click continue and let's see how it's working. So guys, if you want to follow the latest tutorial for COD Mobile, make sure to subscribe to my channel. I record more of this and review more websites around this. Upload is an amazing website for this. Okay guys, now we have a few minutes to complete this bot check process. Just click I'm not a robot. Perfect guys. And now we are at the manual verification step, the last one, the most important step. So what we need to do here guys, we need to download 2 free games or apps or complete 2 simple questionnaires, your choice. Just click here on free, click go, and it will start downloading from the official publisher. When the app are downloaded, complete the task. Below each task you have description what you have to do. So guys, I always choose the games because I love to play games. So I will download Travel Town and Domino Dreams and complete the task. So I'll be back after I complete these 2 tasks.
A few minutes later.
Okay guys, I have just completed this task and this task, and I got this message: you completed 2 tasks successfully along this redirecting text guys. I'm wait about 1 minute and nothing happened. As you can see, we still redirecting. So let's see. Nice guys, verification successful. Thanks for passing the bot check. Credits and code points are on the way guys. I'm so excited to test this. So let me open the game and let's see. Does it actually work? So let's see guys. Okay. Okay guys, as you can see, it actually generating our credits and code points. This hack working perfectly. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this tutorial. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.